This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 19th, 2023. It's currently May 18th, 2023, 4:21 p.m. Eastern Time. Ethereum at the time of this reading is currently $1,795.34 USD. And the shuffle file we're about to play for the June 19th reading was created on May 6th, 2023 at 11:12 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here, or this video. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a important fake out, shakeout of some kind here. Looks like a move to the downside. It's an intentional fake out, shakeout here. And we have behavior around the highest high. We have a decline to a support level that we recently met once before. Behavior out of the lowest low. We have a prominent move higher, pushing the upper end of the range higher out of the low. I'm advised to trade around a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. And my sense is that it's not that it's necessarily a decline day. It's more of like there's some tricky chart behavior here that could like whipsaw you. In the first 2 hours of trading, we have an important resistance level that's highlighted and a lot of price change. Looks like to the downside. We have a decline through multiple support levels between roughly 2 and 4. And it looks like in the midst of that decline through multiple support levels, there's an opportunity to open up a long position. There's a rally that commences around 6:30 a.m. and we meet a resistance level somewhere between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. And in the midst of that, probably closer to 8 a.m., but in the midst of that 6 to 10 a.m. window, probably closer to 8 a.m. is where the resistance level will be met. And that's a trade opportunity to exit along. It's followed by a failed attempt to break through key resistance and a decline through key support there between 10 and 12. And a trough. A trough that forms around 12:30, and then there's a fast sudden move higher standing out on a one-day chart there between 12 and 2. We meet the upper end of a range. Actually, we meet the bottom end of a range there in that trough, and then we have this fast sudden move higher. Rally continues between 2 and 4 p.m. And then we meet a high somewhere between 4 and 6 p.m. Probably closer to 4:30. And then that's followed by a sharp decline in volatility with a sharp drop in it. Between roughly 6 and 8 p.m., however, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line breaking through horizontal resistance to meet another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. And it looks like a pretty sharp drop there off of a peak or crest around maybe a little after 6, maybe around 7 o'clock. There's a sharp drop. This will stand out on a one-day chart, a sharp drop and a sideways S kind of formation within the decline. The sideways S formation decline will offer opportunity to close out of a short position that was opened at that peak or crest there between 4 and 6. And then around 10 p.m. to midnight, we have sideways rotation along a key support level. We rise to meet the nearest resistance before falling back down and continuing to rotate sideways there. There's also devil correlation there, so there's going to be some tricky chart behavior here in the last 4 hours of trading. The sneak preview card for the following day, we're looking for 3 pokes to the same price level followed by a sharp drop. However, it is nullified, so it may be irrelevant somehow. And in any case, that's the 19th of June for Ethereum. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma, my friends. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits back to the channel here at Cashapp, PayPal, Venmo, Wise, and 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, ensuring the flow of abundance continues through the universe. That's ASPCA, Cancer Research Foundation, the Alzheimer's Foundation of America, Parapsychology Association, American Parkinson's Disease Association, ALS Association, and the Nature Conservancy. Any of those is a phenomenal way to send 5% forward and put some goodwill into the world, my friends. Thanks for that. Make sure you spend it out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.